Hello everyone, welcome to another lecture of the Foreign Policy of Pakistan series presented by the CSS World. In this video, we will study the era of the revival of policy in the history of the foreign policy of Pakistan. The period between 1981 and 1990 is said to be the era of revival of policy. Let's start this lecture now. First of all, background. Prior to this lecture, we have studied the era of non-alignment which was between 1969 and 1981. This was the time when Pakistan had decided to stay away from both the blocs of the Cold War. Pakistan kept on pursuing the policy of bilateralism during the non-alignment period. But in 1981, in fact after 1979, the foreign policy makers had sniffed that now it is the time to change the policy according to the international environment. Shift in foreign policy. This was the time when the Cold War was at its peak. Both the United States and USSR were in an indirect confrontation against each other. They were making alliances to counter the effect of each other. This process was continued since the start of the Cold War in 1945, but in 80s the situation of Cold War became more important for whole world including Pakistan. So this was the time when the foreign policy of Pakistan was shifted from non-alignment. Why Pakistan shifted its foreign policy? This happened because in December 1979, Soviet Union invaded Afghanistan. As Afghanistan is the neighboring country of Pakistan, so the United States found that Pakistan is inevitable for it to contain the communism being spread by Soviet Union. As we have already mentioned that both the US and USSR were in competition with each other in countering each other. So by invading Afghanistan, it was easy for USSR to spread the communism to all the other connected states. So it was a big threat for the United States, which was countering the communism at that time. In short, Pakistan was the only option for the United States which could be used to counter the communism. US began helping Afghanistan against the Soviets' attack. Thus, US approached Pakistan and resultantly Pakistan revived its foreign policy. US assistance for Pakistan. Throughout the time period when the USSR and US fought against each other on the land of Afghanistan, the relations between United States and Pakistan were quite streamlined. Both Pakistan and US worked in collaboration against the USSR till the day the Soviet forces withdrew from the Afghanistan. During this period, Pakistan has been receiving aid from US because it was serving the US interests in Afghanistan. In 1981, the President of the United States, Ronald Reagan, provided 5-year economic and military aid of 3.2 billion US dollar to Pakistan. Tension between US and Pakistan. Although United States and Pakistan remained quite closer to each other throughout this period, but there was a time when a little bit tension witnessed between both the countries even during this era. Actually, Pakistan had already started its nuclear program at that time. It started this program because it was not the member of the Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty, that is NPT, which was basically signed by the whole world except India, Pakistan and Israel. But still, due to the wish that no more states could achieve the nuclear power, the United States pressurized Pakistan to withdraw from its nuclear program. At that time, the relations between Pakistan and the United States were again deteriorated for a while. But as United States was fighting against USSR in Afghanistan, so it was not in its favor to deteriorate its relations with Pakistan at that time, because Pakistan was inevitable for United States to serve its interests in Afghanistan at that particular time. Despite serving the interests of the United States in Afghanistan, Pakistan had to face sanctions from US side due to its nuclear program. End of Cold War. This era in the foreign policy of Pakistan ended with the end of Cold War. The Cold War, which was started in 1945 just after the end of the World War II, was ended in 1991. Both the United States and USSR were the major actors of the Cold War. It was the war between two ideologies. US was backing the capitalism and USSR was backing the communism. Both the powers kept on making alliances against each other, but at the end, USSR was disintegrated into 15 states in 1991 and the United States emerged on the world map as the only superpower. In this way, this era of the foreign policy of Pakistan was also ended. So this was all from this lecture. Foreign policy of Pakistan will be covered in coming lectures. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon for more videos. Goodbye.